Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to reply to a specific message in a chat on X app. If you've ever wanted to respond directly to one part of a conversation so things don't get lost in the mix, you'll see just how simple it is with the latest update. First, make sure you have the X app open on your device. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll notice the message icon, which looks like a small envelope. Go ahead and tap on that to open up your inbox. From here, you can see all of your conversations. Select the chat where you want to reply to a specific message. This could be a one-on-one conversation, or even a group chat. Tap on that chat to open it up. Now comes the key part. Scroll to the message you want to reply to. Instead of just typing at the bottom like usual, press and hold on that individual message. After holding for a brief moment, a menu will appear with several options. One of them will be Reply. Simply tap on that. When you do this, the message you selected will appear above the typing box. This makes it clear to everyone which part of the conversation you're responding to. Go ahead and type your reply, then hit Send. Once it's sent, the replied message will stay attached above your response, making your conversation flow a lot easier to follow. This feature is especially handy when chats get busy, because it helps keep context intact. Instead of scrolling back up and guessing what you were answering, anyone in the conversation can immediately see the original message paired with your response. And that's it. You've just learned how to reply to a message in a chat on X app. Open the app, tap the message icon, choose your chat, long press the message, and tap Reply. It only takes a few seconds, and it makes your conversations a lot clearer and more organized. If you found this helpful, try it out in your next chat and see how much smoother your conversations can become.